Hello, everybody. Now, you know my obsession with Funky Kong will never be matched. And I've always loved his sound effects, but then I found this glitch that allows you to play as four people to play as the same character. And I got an idea. So here we are. We're gonna activate all these characters at the same time and see what sound they make. Let's hear that again. That was beautiful. It can only be matched if there are four Alolas at the same time. I don't think any games has ever allowed us that. So for now, the greatest sound effect in all of gaming history is this. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.